out in the fairgrounds. As you can see, Blood Red with another shootout win over the Blue Barracudas, 5-4 this time, joined by player of the game, Anirban. You know, one of these days it's going to be a normal game between you two, isn't it?
Today the conditions were very tough. It was 95 degrees outside and felt like 150 inside. And we, with the Blue Barracudas, we always have hard games, and they fight hard. We had the lead, I think, and every time we had the lead, they came back and equalized. So they have a lot of heart, and they never give up. So I'm getting used to shootouts with them.
Speaking of shootout, the only goal in the shootout, take us through what was going through your mind as you were setting that up.
I basically, when I saw like all our, players are much better than me, they didn't score. There was absolutely no pressure on me. If I missed, I'm the same as Tommy, which is not a bad place to be. So I really had no pressure on me, and I just had the ball, saw which way the goalie was going, and tried to go the other way, and I got lucky. I think their goalkeeper is very good, and probably 7 out of 10 times he'd stop my shot. This was the other 3, so I'm happy about that.
Hey, you start off 1-0 in your defense of the cup. Do you think this is going to be another great year for you?
We're going to try to. We have very good players, and we're good friends off the field too. So that I think makes a difference. It's a pleasure to be here every Sunday. So hopefully it'll be a good season.
Big shootout win for Blood Red. Anirban, player of the game with the goal and the only shootout goal. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Andy.